How to download from Pinterest. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can download from Pinterest. Now, whether you want to download an image or a video, I'll just show you quickly through here. First things first, you can simply open up Pinterest, and then you can open up the image or the video that you wish to download. Now there are two different options for video and image. So if you want to download an image, you can simply tap on it and open up the image, and then tap on the three dots option that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and there you should be able to see the option that says download image. You can simply tap on download image and you can download the image easily. But now in the case of video, as you can see, I'll open up the video. You'll see if I tap on three dots at the top right, again this time there is no any option to download, right? So in order to download the video, you want to first tap on copy link. Once you have copied the link, you want to close the Pinterest, and then you want to head over to your Google Chrome, and on the Chrome search bar you want to type in download Pinterest video. You can type in Pinterest video downloader as well, and you will see there is various links. You want to open up those links, and there you want to paste your link that you copied of the video URL, and then go ahead and download it. So this we can download from Pinterest. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.